Hi guys. I hope you had a good day. My day was good. Um, I just wanted to ask and just check, because sometimes I just think, is it just me? Is it just me experiencing this? You know, on my way out this morning, you know, leggings. I see leggings. You know, lunchtime I step out, leggings. In the evening, on my way back, leggings. Different kinds of leggings. I come home, just settling down, winding down, leggings. So, guys, how do you handle this leggings thing? Because I mean, is it just me? Is it just me? Is it just me? You know. I know I talk about sexual purity and stuff, and some of you might, honestly, some of you might be thinking, this guy is he a bit too much, or sometimes I wonder, am I talking about it too much? But is it just me, or am I noticing these things because I'm a virgin? Okay. Is it just me because do I have like a heightened response or the heightened reaction? Because when I see it, I'm like, okay. Then most natural thing to do is to look, right? To look and to really gaze. Well, to not gaze in a way that's odd, but gaze like, you're looking. No one really knows you're looking, but you look, you know where it is, and you're tactically following it. You know what I mean. So I'll leave it there. But how do you guys manage this? Because we can't control what people wear. It just is. Everyone wears what they want to wear. But how do we as Christian guys carry ourselves in this day and age? How do we, because we don't want to be giving in to these desires to keep looking, right? Because if we look at one, before you know it, we look at the next one. Before you know it, you look at the next one, and the lust is building, right? It's building. Then that lust eventually could lead to you coming home, lead to you, watching something maybe you're not proud of watching in order to release sexual tension in your body that is built up over the day. And then before you know it, you're feeling down again. Oh, what have I done to myself? Oh, I'm a waste man. Oh, what have I done? Oh, what have I done? Sin, condemnation, guilt, weight, you're not feeling very motivated anymore, just down and out. So, to avoid these patterns happening again and again in our lives, how do we carry ourselves during the day? How do we resist the urge to look once? The first look is sometimes unavoidable. Like I said, these pictures that happen to me during the day, it's just happening. I couldn't look anywhere else. I mean, it's just boom, boom. It's almost like, and when it happens, I don't know if this happens to you too. It's almost like your system is like something inside you leaps, like the flesh. I think it's the flesh. The flesh kind of leaps, going, man, this is an opportunity to really get some, some, some kind of, I don't know. They call it eye candy, or I don't know what they call it. Just that, something. Your system just wants to enjoy something, pleasure. The fleeting pleasures of sin, the pleasure, there's something in you that wants to respond to that image and look at it a bit longer than usual. But I thank God for the grace to keep resisting, And I'm just checking, because is it just me, guys, or are you going through this too? And how do you handle it? Do you look once, twice, 3 times, 4 times? Do you gaze and really get a picture, really register that image? Or do you kind of bounce? You look away. You see it, you bounce. So you look, you bounce. Like, I'm so grateful, I'm so grateful today, all these opportunities to lust. I'm so grateful that I didn't engage, because, it's just like, I'm just so grateful I didn't engage, because I could have taken it in, embraced it even more, but I'm so grateful that I didn't engage. And I'm grateful to God and the Holy Spirit that helped me and empowered me to really stay on the path of purity, because I know it's not easy, guys, but God is our strength. So stay strong, keep going. God is your strength. Bless you. Bye for now.